Hello, you've reached Sausage Fingers and Tiny Things. We're not in right now, so if you leave a message, I'll get right back to you. Thanks. Bye-bye.
I got this mold online and I had to have it. It was super trippy and I really wanted to make some resin jewelry with it, I guess. I love the poison apple and the mushroom. Yeah, we're gonna have fun with this. The first pair I'm gonna do is Satan's earrings. I'll be using UV resin. And I have to keep in mind that I can do thin layers with UV resin, otherwise it won't cure. Those are my colors, a kind of orangey red with gold flakes and a turquoise blue. I like the complementary colors as well as the contrast between super glittery and not. I'm pouring the red first. It in no way reminds me of a certain bucket of pig's blood from a certain fucked up movie from the 70s.
I love it.
Pouring this part without making a complete and total mess was a challenge, but I think I got it, maybe. It's nothing you can't clean up, right? Look how careful I'm being. Aww. I know I'm messy, but this is ridiculous. After this final layer, we're just gonna give it a quick sizzle under the UV lamp. Wasn't that satisfying? I love the color combo, but I do think I could have blended it just a little bit more. But now we're just gonna poke out all the fun crusties. In an effort to use what I already have, I'm going to coat it with the No Wipe top coat. I think I need more though. And then because I can't just do one, I'm going to do the moon shape next. Of course, I chose purple and blue and the corresponding glitters so that these are going to be just super sparkly, deep, beautiful jewel tones. I ended up gifting them to a friend of mine, and she really loved them. Of course, I didn't get a picture of the finished project, but they're cute. Gotta make sure I get it all in there. So now that the colors are blended to my liking, I'm gonna bake it. Yes, there is a mess, but first things first. Now we clean. I remember to put the cap on tight. Really love the color combo and the sparkles. Now I'm going to take this nail glitter, mix it in with more UV resin, and then create the stars on the moon and the drits. You see the diamonds there, the indents. And I really enjoy the look of it a lot. I'm going to make another pair soon. Gorgeous. Except now I notice that there's a hole in one of them, but it's okay. I just filled it in with a bit more resin. Anywho, that's it for me. Thank you guys so much for watching. In the coming months and into the next year, I've got some projects planned, such as figurines from Over the Garden Wall, a Return to Oz Mom Bee playset, a Bob's Burgers diorama, and a Ren and Stimpy Space Madness diorama. I'm super excited. For the month of December, I will be making some more jewelry. So be sure to stay tuned, subscribe to follow this unholy journey.